Welcome to my class, dear learners. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Soil. I am here today to take your English first paper class. Let's start our class. Our today's topic is Bangladeshi cuisine. Unit 1, Lesson 5. Learning outcomes. After completing this lesson, the students will be able to speak or write about Bangladeshi sweets, different types of Bangladeshi foods, different types of fishes, about traditional festivals. There are some text related vocabularies. Number 1, spice. Spice means aromatic plant substance. Delicious. Delicious means tasty or appetizing. Source. Source means origin or starting place. Snack. Snack means a small amount of food eaten between meals. Staple. Staple means main. Variety. Variety means diversity or multiplicity. Curry. Highly spiced dish. Lentil. An edible seed. Protein. A complex natural substance. Lake. Lake means a large body water surrounding by land. Pickle. Pickle means preserved vegetable. Onion means plant with pungent bulbs. Entire. Entire means whole. Organize. Coordinate something. Wedding. Wedding means marriage ceremony. Say meaning of the following words. Spice. Spice means aromatic plant substance. Curry means highly spiced dish. Source means origin or starting place. Organize, coordinate something. Staple. Staple means main. Open your book and read the passage number 8 silently. Type of Bangladeshi cuisine and its qualities. Rich and spices. Types of Bangladeshi cuisine and its qualities. Delicious and appetizing food, snacks and sweets. Our staple food is rice. It is served with various curries such as vegetables, curry, lentil, soups, fish and meat, etc. The main source of protein is fish. More than 40 types of fish are now cultivated in ponds. What is the name of this fish below? This is carp. What is the name of this fish below? This is roi. What is the name of fish below? Katla. What is the name of the fishes below? Magur or catfish. What is the name of the fishes below? Stingray or shrimp. Special type of fish. In our country, 40 and more familiar fishes are cultivated in rivers, trouts, lakes, and ponds. Among them, these fishes are very popular fishes such as carp, rui, katla, magur, stingray, shutki, or dried, etc. popular fish. Hilsa fish is the popular fish among all the fishes of Bangladesh. A traditional food, Pantha Ilish or Panthavat, is the traditional food. How to make Pantha Ilish? Steamed rice is soaked in water and served with a fried hilsa slice, often together with dried fish, pickles, lentil soup, green chilies, and onion. When is pita Pantha Ilish served? It is served in Bangla New Year, that is Pohila Boishakh. Bangladeshi people love sweets too much. How are sweets made? Sweets are made from rice, flour, sugar, syrup, and milk. Some popular sweets. Number 1, Rasgulla. Then Sandesh and Rasmalai. Gulab Jam. Kalo Jam. Chom Chom. Where and at what festival do we eat sweets? Wedding festivals, New Generation Advent Festival. Now I am giving you some multiple choice questions. Number 1, the use of many spices dash made Bangladeshi cuisine rich. Here the correct answer will be has, because this is present perfect tense. The use many spices has made. Here subject is the use, not spices. Subject is the use, so we will use here has. The use many spices has made Bangladeshi cuisine rich. Number 2, how are our foods? Our foods, number 1, bitter, sour, pungent, tasty. Correct answer will be tasty, because the foods of Bangladesh are very tasty. Number 3, what is a very popular fish of our country? Carp, rui, hilsa, magur. Hilsa is the popular fish of our country. Number 4, the word wedding means a birthday ceremony, a marriage ceremony, a funeral ceremony, a mourning ceremony. The correct answer will be a marriage ceremony. Number 5, people of Bangladesh dash sweets very much. Likes, dislikes, fond. Here the correct answer will be like, as it is present in definite tense and the subject is people plural, so we will use here like. People of Bangladesh like sweets very much. Number 6, from where can we get protein mainly? Rice, vegetables, fish, bread. Correct answer will be fish, because we can get protein from fish. Number 7, many ingredients are dash to prepare pitha. Need, needed, absent, avoided. Correct answer will be needed. Many ingredients are needed. This is passive voice, so we will use here needed to prepare pitha. Number 8, during winter, pitha utsav is dash in our country. Pitha utsav is arranged. This is passive voice, so we will use here arranged. During winter, pitha utsav is arranged in our country. Now evaluation. What is the specialty of making popular food in Bangladesh? Bangladeshi use different flavored spices in the food, so where do we get different types of fish? In our country, 40 and more familiar fish are cultivated in rivers, troughs, lakes and ponds. Among them, these fish are very popular fishes such as carp, rui, katla, magur, singri, shutki, or dried, etc. What is our main source of our flowing protein? Fish is the main source of our protein. Which food is used in a special festival? Sweets are popularly used as a popular food festival. I think you have understood the lesson clearly. So now I am giving you some homework. Write a paragraph in 150 words about Bangladeshi popular food. Okay, thanks. Thank you, everybody.